Unleashing the Power of ChatGPT. Part 8 Conclusion. In this group of videos, we have explored the transformative power of ChatGPT in the realm of social media marketing. Let's recap the key points we discussed and reflect on the potential it holds for your own campaigns. We began by understanding what ChatGPT is and how it functions as an advanced language model developed by OpenAI. Its natural language processing capabilities enable it to understand and generate human-like text, making it an invaluable tool for content creation. We then delved into how ChatGPT can revolutionize content creation for social media platforms. From generating engaging captions to crafting compelling posts and even weaving creative storytelling, ChatGPT empowers marketers to captivate their audience with impactful content. By leveraging ChatGPT, you can unlock your creativity and create posts that resonate with your followers. Furthermore, we explored how ChatGPT can personalize audience engagement. By responding to comments, answering inquiries, and providing personalized recommendations, ChatGPT helps foster meaningful connections with your audience. The ability to tailor interactions based on individual preferences enhances the overall engagement and brand loyalty. Data-driven insights and analytics emerged as another crucial aspect of ChatGPT's capabilities. By analyzing social media data, ChatGPT can help you identify trends, understand audience preferences, and optimize your content strategies. This data-driven approach enables you to make informed decisions and drive better results. We also touched upon the intersection of ChatGPT and social media advertising. The model's ability to optimize ad copy, generate persuasive content, and enhance targeting strategies empowers marketers to create impactful and successful advertising campaigns. Several brands have already experienced remarkable results by leveraging ChatGPT in their advertising endeavors. While embracing the power of ChatGPT, it is crucial to consider the ethical considerations and potential risks. Transparency, avoiding misinformation, and adhering to ethical guidelines are essential to maintain credibility and trust. By practicing responsible usage and staying vigilant, we can mitigate risks and ensure ethical utilization of ChatGPT in social media marketing. To inspire you further, we shared a series of case studies and success stories from various industries. These real-life examples highlighted the immense impact ChatGPT has made, driving engagement, conversions, brand awareness, and customer satisfaction. In conclusion, ChatGPT has emerged as a game-changer in social media marketing. It empowers marketers to unleash their creativity, engage with their audience on a personal level, gain data-driven insights, optimize advertising campaigns, and navigate ethical considerations. We encourage you to explore and experiment with ChatGPT in your own campaigns. Embrace its capabilities, push the boundaries, and drive remarkable results. Unleash your creativity, captivate your audience, and take your social media marketing to new heights. If you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from the power of ChatGPT. Together, let's harness the transformative potential of this advanced language model and create social media campaigns that leave a lasting impact. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy marketing. Please leave a comment and share this video series.